Hello, my name is Casey Redmond, and I'm the owner of Cincy Marketing Maven marketing consulting firm. And I am here today to give you a quick tutorial of something very important in your website, Google Analytics. I know if you're a novice to Google Analytics, when you come into this screen, it can be a little overwhelming and you don't know what you should be looking at and you don't know how to interpret what you see. So I'm going to give you the number one thing I go look at immediately when I log into a website's analytics. So the number one thing you want to know normally is, where is my website traffic coming from? How are people finding my website? And to find that out, you want to come over to the left panel over here, and you want to go to the acquisition tab, and you want to click on that. And then you want to come to the all traffic sub-tab. And then you want to come down to the source/medium sub-tab. And that will bring you to the screen we're currently on. This gives the top 10 places that are referring people to your website. So in this case, the top referral source is Google Organic Search, which is excellent because that means that this company did their search engine optimization correctly, or as people will say, SEO. That means they have the proper keywords for their industry in the proper places on their website for Google to crawl their website, locate those words, and then show them to people looking for those words as search results. So that's the top way people are coming to this website. Number 2 is direct. That is when people actually are typing in the URL for the website. This m.facebook.com is the mobile Facebook app. We're going to ignore this right here. That's the business's app of their own that they have. Number 5 is the Bing search engine, and that is really great organic search results from keywords. Number 6 is the Facebook desktop version. Number 7 is also the Facebook desktop version. The L is just a different way of it being listed. Number 8 is LinkedIn, a social referral. And number 9 is Yelp. I'm going to do a different tutorial on Yelp and how that can help your business. But that is a social evaluation page where people can leave reviews for your company. But as a business, if you take control of your Yelp page, you can answer reviews and add photos and things like that. And yellowpages.com. So someone actually searched for this company on Yellow Pages. So that's just a real short look at the source/medium tab on Google Analytics. It really gives you a real short look at the types of things you would see and look at. You want to see how much search engine play your website's getting. Are you getting a lot of links clicked from search engine organic results? How much play are you getting on social media? How many referrals are coming to your website from social media marketing that you're doing? And which sites are those? So I'm going to do other videos going in more in depth on some other things that you need to look at. But that's all for today.